Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Sydney from PhoneDog.com, and this is the Pantech Crossover. I think it's called the Crossover because it's Pantech's attempt to cross over from feature phones to smartphones. At least that's what I think. So it is an Android smartphone. It's on AT&T. It's kind of a mid-range device. It has a 3.1-inch touchscreen display, a 3-megapixel camera. It also has a physical keyboard, as you can see in the picture, along with the virtual keyboard that comes with all Android phones. So we're going to do an unboxing and kind of get some first impressions, see what the phone is like, see a couple of features, and then I'll come back and do a full review. Now, like I said, this is Pantech's foray into Android smartphones, so we're going to find out, did they do a good job or do they need to kind of work a little harder at it? But it's a Pantech Crossover from AT&T. It's about $70, so not too bad of a price tag. Unboxing right now, first impressions of the Crossover. Before we get on to the unboxing, I almost forgot, but I didn't. I know you were thinking about it. What about the Best Buy promotion? I'm gonna do it, don't worry, I know you love it. Thanks to our friends at Best Buy Mobile, they sent us phones that we can add to our One Paw Bandit game, which is a game where you can win free phones. One of the great things about Best Buy Mobile is that when you buy a phone from them, you don't have to worry about mail-in rebates. It's not like other retail stores where it's like $100, but with the $100 mail-in rebate, and you have to wait like 68 weeks to get the rebate. And then sometimes you forget, you never send it in, so you never get the rebate. With Best Buy Mobile, there's no rebates. The price on the tag is the price that you pay. So thank you, Best Buy Mobile, for being so awesome. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's an unboxing of the Crossover from AT&T. I'm Sydney from PhoneDog.com. Let's go check it out. So here it is, the Pantech Crossover from AT&T. And you know, I was thinking before I started this that I haven't done an unboxing in so long. I'm kind of afraid that I might have forgotten how to do it, if it's possible. So we'll just, do this together. It'd be like our first time doing an unboxing. We can share that special moment. But as you can see, it is an Android device, and so it is a smartphone, Pantech's first smartphone or Android smartphone effort, at least on AT&T. So inside we have a quick start guide, phone setup, getting to know your phone. And then we have the phone with some details here: Wi-Fi capable web browsing, messaging, social networking. And this is the phone, and it's actually really heavy and really thick. It's interesting, in the PR notes, it described the phone as being slim and sporty, but it is not very slim. But it is sporty. It kind of looks like a robot, like a rugged phone. It is supposed to be somewhat rugged. I don't have any details on exactly how rugged it is, but I am told that it is supposed to be somewhat rugged. So otherwise in the phone you have your data cable, standard USB to micro USB, modular charger. This is where the battery was, and then some more info, and then your this is where the user manual is going to be, and some interactive tutorials, things like that on the CD. So that's what you get in the box. And so we'll turn it on. Look for the power button. The power button is maybe that. No. Okay. Maybe that. There. Okay, so there's two buttons there. I'll have to figure out what that one is. So let's take this off, and then we can see the display. This is a 3.1-inch display. It is a touchscreen device. Has a resolution of 320 by 480, so somewhat low-end. It's a resolution that we see on most low-end smartphones. But along with the touchscreen, you also have the physical keyboard. The keyboard actually looks pretty nice. I like it whenever the space bar is in its own row instead of actually in a row of letters. There's no dedicated number row, but I don't really use the numbers very often anyway. So, okay, please insert a SIM card. I thought it would come with a SIM card. Let me get a SIM card and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the SIM card in the phone. I'm covering it up because it has a phone number. But I also wanted to show you the battery really quickly so you can see what size it is. It actually does not say on the outside here. But it's a 1500 milliamp hour battery, so I want to show you that. And then also the micro SD card slot. It ships with a 2 gigabyte card, as you can see, and then it supports up to 32 gigabytes. So let's put the battery cover back on. Hopefully it will recognize the SIM card, but if not, we'll see if we can just go through the setup process anyway. So here's the setup. We will choose English. Mobile network and Wi-Fi if it's possible. Wi-Fi network detected, we'll do that later. Use Google location, yes. Agree. Next. I'll set up an account later on. Okay, so here's the unlock screen. Peel off the sticker. Okay, unlock the screen. I did. I'm peeling it off. Drag icon to the center to start with the, oh gosh. I really just want to unlock it. Is it? Did I unlock it? No. Okay. Oh my gosh. Drag icon. Okay, let's just go to phone. Oh, this is a tutorial. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Okay. Skip. Never mind. I feel super dumb. Using the function key. I don't care. Using the keyboard, we'll see that later, blah, 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 blah. Here is the home screen. You saw my idiot moment there. That's okay. You know, like I said, we're sharing it together. It's special. Okay, so this is an Android device. It ships with Android 2.2 and Pantech's custom UI, so you can see a few of the additions that they've made to Android. For one thing, you have this custom dock at the bottom, phone, messages, web, and then that, I guess, goes to the app drawer. Looks like some AT&T custom apps, but not too much. Otherwise, just typical Android. And then the notification bar also has your toggle widgets for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, so on and so forth. Let's take a look at the keyboard. Just do a quick first. And you can see some other, custom UI elements there. So apparently it ships with swipe, so you can use that. I wonder if it ships with the Android keyboard. Yeah, okay, it also ships with the Android keyboard. But for the most part, you're probably going to be using the physical keyboard. Hello, my name is Sydney. Okay, not too bad. Kind of not quite as texturized as I would like, a little bit slippery, but it is island style keys. You can see the letters are nice and large and they're all caps, so that's nice. Alt key. Yeah, the keyboard seems pretty good. I'll have to test it out. This is just a first impressions. It is thick. I know I said that before. It's 0.56 inches thick. On the back is the camera. As you can see, it's a 3 megapixel camera. No flash, and it does capture video. I'm not going to worry about that. Speaker grill, and then these two keys. I'm not sure what this key is for. I know it's, oh, there it is, function, so that must do something else. Okay, and then you have the menu and the home key. Those are actual physical keys, but then back and search, those are capacitive touch keys. And then you can see that it has a live wallpaper there, so that's nice. Oh, let me see also if it comes with any custom widgets. So you can see throughout here are some different UI elements, but let's take a look at the Pantech widgets: bookmark, calendar, clock, contacts, integrated clock, event notification, social net, so it has a widget. I'm guessing that will aggregate all of your social networks. Weather, I want to do the weather widget. Select a style. Okay, so there's different styles, that's nice. Let's go with the big one. No space on this screen. There's 5 home screens, so let's try that again. Weather. No weather. Okay, I'll have to set the location, but it does come with a few custom widgets. The screen feels pretty smooth. Like I said, 3.1 inches, so it's a bit small, but it's smooth. Seems to be pretty clear and bright. Again, these are just my first impressions of it, and the custom UI seems pretty nice. I like it. And then Android 2.2. So those are just, a quick first look at the Pantech Crossover from AT&T. Android 2.2 has a 1 gigahertz processor, which I was kind of surprised by. You wouldn't expect to see a 1 gigahertz processor in what otherwise is a pretty mid-range device, but it does have a 1 gigahertz processor, at least that's what the PR notes say. from AT&T, and it is $69.99 with a 2-year contract. So that's the crossover, and I'll check it out. I'll test it out for a couple of days, and then I'll have my full review up on phonedog.com. If you have any questions about the crossover or any other phone, you can send me a message on Twitter. My screen name is It's My Job to Know. And also we have Phone Dog Live, which is sort of like our podcast, except there's video with it. We have that every Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time on our Ustream channel. Check that out, and also come by, swing by there every Friday and ask a question. But that's pretty much it. PhoneDog.com for more news, updates, and reviews. I'm Sydney. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys later.